We're always told the best way to learn is to just practice solving problems, right?
But what if that advice is actually a trap that's stopping you from really learning?
To avoid this trap, you don't need to be smarter. You just need a different strategy.
See, experts work forward from what's given. Novices get stuck working backward from the goal.
That whole working backward thing, well, it's a common cognitive trap we all fall into.
It's called means-ends analysis. You're so focused on the finish line, you can't even see the path.
And this crazy flowchart? Yeah, that's pretty much what it feels like inside your brain.
This whole process creates a massive mental traffic jam known as cognitive load.
Your brain's working memory is totally maxed out, leaving zero room for any actual learning. So you find the answer, but you don't build the mental model, the schema. That's the important part.
Okay, so how do we get out of this? First step, just change the goal of the problem.
Researchers tried this. One group got a specific goal, the other got a goal-free problem.
And wow, the results were staggering. The goal-free group made way fewer errors later on.
Because they focused on the process, their cognitive load was lower. They learned the method, not just the answer.
So that's one way out. But here's another: stop being a learner and start being a designer.
As the expert David Janassin said, we should literally give the tools of creation to the learners.
We're talking about cognitive tools here, things like spreadsheets you use to build knowledge with.
When you have to organize the info yourself, you're forced to understand it on a much deeper level.
This makes you an active creator, not just a passive receiver. It's a total game changer.
So here's the bottom line. Focus on the process, try goal-free practice, and build stuff.
So ask yourself, what's the first learning trap that you're going to break out of?